Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nimi. I'm a concerned citizen of Nigeria. Sir, there's an ongoing online discussion about the significant variance in the burn rate of PMS obtained from two different filling stations, with reports indicating up to a 40% difference. Sir, many Nigerians would appreciate your expert opinion as a mechanical engineer on whether such a discrepancy is scientifically plausible or if it's just a mere marketing gimmick.
Thank you very much, Mimi. I'm Engineer Dr. Ibigimbo Genuine Saturday, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering. I'm currently the Acting Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, University of Port Harcourt. I'm also the Acting Director of Offshore Technology Institute. I had my first degree at Uniport, also my master's degree in Uniport. I had a PhD at Cranfield University, UK, in 2016, February 2016. Since then, I was back in the country. I started teaching as a graduate assistant before I went to my study leaves. And since February 2016, I've been back here. I also saw that clip online, and I just picked one of those things. But I think it's better we put the record straight. It is not possible for PMS, gotten from two different places, whether one is from Afghanistan or another one from Nigeria, to perform performance difference to be so much that one is performing 40% better than another one. But in terms of time, one is burning much lower than the other one. It's not possible. What determines the performance of a PMS? It depends on the PMS itself and the design of the engine. For a typical engine, be it 5 kV engine, it is designed to consume a given amount of fuel per second. And you can do some adjustment to the engine if you need be. You can increase the voltage, then it consume more fuel. If you reduce it, you consume less fuel. But people don't normally have those knowledge. It's only the mechanics that normally do that. But for the PMS itself, what improves performance of the PMS? Some additives. The additives don't increase performance in terms of power output. What they do is either they reduce the risk of knocking or reduce emissions. Also, to protect the engine generally, additives will do that. But the PMS itself, what will make it work very well is the value. The value we call heating value. A lower calorific value. It's ranging from 44 to 46 megajoule per kilogram. The lowest is 44 megajoule, the highest you can get is 46 megajoule. So in terms of difference, you are going to get 4.35% difference, whether in terms of time or in terms of performance. So if you have the one of the 46 megajoule, what you can do is you can reduce the settings lower, and you are still going to get the same amount of power output, but the fuel flow will now reduce. And people don't have that knowledge. Besides, even if you have that knowledge, where will you know that the PMS you bought from filling station A is of 44 megajoule per kilogram? The one you got from another place is 46 megajoule per kilogram. Even the experts don't have that knowledge unless they take you to the lab to test. Are you going to be testing your PMS every time? It's not possible. Knowing very well that 44 and 46, the difference is not much, so people don't care about that. Even the experts don't care about that. As far as the PMS is not going to make your engine to knock, it is good to go. But in terms of that difference, it's not possible. It's not possible. The best is 4.35% in terms of performance. That's what you can get from PMS, getting from two different places.
All right, many Nigerians are watching this right now. So what advice can you share to Nigerians concerning that might be worried about the discrepancy in the variety? What advice would you share to Nigerians right now?
I would say generally, ignore that viral video. It's of no essence. I think the fellow may be a content creator. He might have made some money from it, but it's not the right thing to do in a proper country where things are done rightly. People will sue him for damages, and you'll be begging. So it's not proper. I will tell whoever concerned, just forgive him and move ahead. For Nigerians too, there's nothing like that. You can get a PMS that one is working far better than the other one up to 40 days. It's not possible. There's nothing like that anywhere. Just ignore it and move forward with your businesses.
All right, thank you very much, Dr. Ibigimbo Saturday, for making our time to talk to Nigerians, to educate Nigerians as an expert in this field. We appreciate you for giving us this time. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you very much.